Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google Pop-up. Now just tap on the Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one you need. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input your website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, to add a password, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!